Protein shake to replace a meal if it has animal protein and fat in balance. Dr. Ben Bikman.
I really wanted to have a ratio of 1-to-1 protein to fat to mimic what you get in fatty beef or in an egg, because that is the ratio that was tested in humans to find the most anabolic effect at the muscle.
Interesting. Okay.
So that was the ratio of the fat to protein 1-to-1 by mass. And then I also wanted to do what no one else had done, which is have this full spectrum of fats. I wanted the short chain fats, I wanted medium chain fats, and long chain fats. And the average human diet has plenty of long chain.
Right.
The average ketogenic diet is going to have more medium chain, and we won't really have any short chain. And we make short chain fats in our bacteria, in our stomachs, in our intestines. But also the short chain fats are a fuel for the bacteria as well, not only being a fuel for us. So we were able to put the oils like the grass-fed ghee or the coconut oil or the olive oil onto a matrix like a protein carrier, but we used a resistant maltodextrin that the body doesn't digest. It doesn't break down into glucose, but it's a prebiotic fiber for the gut bacteria. So they can eat it, and then they can produce short chain fats themselves as their byproduct from eating that. All it is a soluble fiber. So nevertheless, the name of the company is HLTHCode, HLTH. Anyone who wants to learn more can just go to a website called GetHealth, HLTH.com, to learn more about the shake. And I put blog posts on there with some collaborators every week. For those who are a little time pressed, it's just an easy way to get a good low carb meal.
Okay, so one, it's low carb and it has all the fats, and I think it has a lot of nutrition too. So it's not just like a protein shake, right? It's not just for proteins, but it's a true
meal replacement. I know people who are using the shake for an emergency food storage.
Oh, okay.
Because it's shelf-stable for 2 years, and all you need is water. And as the economic variables are getting less predictable, I actually think there's something to that. And so I just had someone the other day ask me about this. Could they live on it? And my answer would be no, because one thing that stands out to me is that it doesn't have heme iron, and that's kind of what you have to get to prevent becoming iron deficient and developing an anemia. Someone drinking the shake 2 times a day would be a way to rapidly lose weight, because you're not spiking your insulin, and 2, it's going to be relatively low calorie, and that's 800 to 1,000 calories, which is really low. And that there's always a risk to losing too much weight too quickly. That are they going to rebound back? But I would say that would be the only reason to do that. But then make sure that you kind of slowly come out of that rapid weight loss period, where more often than not, it's 1 to 2 shakes a day, maybe 1 shake a day, and then it's a real meal for dinner.
Annotated and summarized, easy to share with loved ones. The description, which is below the title for this video, has these summary points. Animal protein, muscle fuel. Carbohydrates, cancer fuel. Fuel your muscles, not your inflammation.